Hey guys, it's spring here in St. George. It's a couple weeks before the last frost, at least via the almanac, but I don't think it's gonna freeze anymore. And we got some stuff to do. Check it out. So this last year, I threw these in the corner of my garage. Now these are pepper plants, and I planted them last year, and they didn't really grow a whole lot till July. Looks like they're starting to die off here on the tip, but I've had them in the garage all winter, and they're starting to get some leaves on them again. And some people I literally just dug these up, stuck them in these pots, and they've been just sitting here. So we're gonna go plant them. So I was definitely more of a doubting Thomas on this one, because I really thought, I was like, you're telling me I could just dig up my pepper plant, throw it in my garage for 6 months, water it once a week with like a tray of ice cubes, and it'll be fine? Well, here we are, pretty much 6 months later. Maybe it's only been 5 months. I don't know, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, about 5 months, 5.5 months. And we're ready to plant it. So let's just stick these in the ground and see what happens. I think I'm gonna cut this off so I don't disturb it quite so much, because I'm not gonna need this container. Got a grub for the chickens. Yeah, this is always a funny thing, because I never know. I don't know if this is actually gonna work. It's been 6 months in the making. This might work, this might not, we'll see. Yeah, I'll just cut it open. There we go. All right, well, I mean, that's it, right? There we go. We've got 1 and 2, and we've got little tiny leaves on these. I think they'll enjoy being out in the sun instead of cooped up in the garage. So that'll be really nice. And we got a grub for the chickens. All right, you ready? Boop. Oh. That is Aurora. There you go. I just had one. That's it. Did you have a good time, Aurora? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.